If you want to test every item in an array passes a specified condition, then you're probably going to use the Array.every method. An example is testing all of the items in this array are greater than 1, which sure enough is going to return true. But there is a big gotcha with using this method, which we are going to see in this video. Here is a more interesting fictitious example where we are checking that users are fully vaccinated before we allow them into a football stadium. If they are fully vaccinated, we allow them into the stadium and we print some message into the console. Otherwise, we don't allow them into the stadium and we also print a message to the console. We can see the user John Doe has some vaccination records, which makes them eligible to enter the stadium. And if we run the app, we can see the user was allowed in the stadium, and a few minutes later they are probably tweeting to their friends to know they are having a good time with 54,000 other people in the stadium. The log also shows the number of times this user has been vaccinated. Now check this out. If we simulate that this user is not vaccinated by removing all of the vaccination records, our application is still going to let this user into the stadium even though they have not been vaccinated at all. This is because Array.every returns true if it is called on an empty array. So the next time you want to call .every method on an array that could be empty, be sure to check the length of the array before actually calling the method. And now that we are checking the length of the array is not empty before we call .every method on it, we can see that the user is not allowed in the stadium. Have you run into this problem when you used .every on an array before? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more content like this one if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.